It's 2025 and AI has already changed how we work. And if you're not using these game-changing AI tools, you're literally leaving money and opportunities on the table. The tools that I'm about to show you are transforming how people work, create, and grow their businesses. Hi guys, I'm Brian from Website Learners, and in this video, I'll walk you through 9 of the most powerful AI tools that you absolutely need to be using in 2025 and how to integrate them into your daily workflow. Imagine you're working on something technical, maybe it's a spreadsheet, a website, or just setting up a tool, and suddenly you get stuck. Normally, you'd either Google the solution or watch a few YouTube videos, right? But what if you had a personal assistant that could see exactly where you're stuck and guide you step by step? Well, that's exactly what the first tool on our list does. It's called Google AI Studio, and it's like having a super smart guy that knows everything. So to show how it works, I'm going to give it a sample task on Google Sheets. Now keep in mind, this is just one example. The task could be anything technical you're working on. In this case, I have a spreadsheet of product reports and I want to make this column into 2 separate columns like this. So let's see how Google AI Studio can help us with this. Just click the link in the description below and go to Stream Real Time. Now click Share Screen and then select the screen that you want to share. You can either select the entire screen or select a particular tab that you're working on. So I'm going to select this tab and click Share. Now we are sharing our screen with Google's AI in real time. So let's see how it can help us. Hi, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you have a spreadsheet open. Is there anything specific you would like me to do with it?
Yes, I have this product and the location in one column. I want to separate them into different columns. How do I do that?
I can help you with that. You can use the Split Text to Columns feature to separate the product and location into different columns. Would you like me to walk you through the steps?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's proceed with splitting the product column. First, select the entire column that contains the product and location data, which is column E in your case. Then, navigate to the Data menu at the top of the screen. In that menu, you should find the Split Text to Columns option. Select that. What happens next?
A separator pop-up has opened.
Great, a separator pop-up has appeared. Now you need to specify how the text should be split. In this case, the separator is the hyphen. So you should select hyphen as the separator. After that, the product and location data should be in 2 separate columns. Did it work for you?
No, I can't see an option for the hyphen here.
Okay, I see. The hyphen is not one of the quick options. In that case, you should select the custom option in the separator pop-up and then manually enter the hyphen in the provided field. Does that work?
Yes, that worked.
Perfect. It seems like the product and location are now in separate columns. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding your spreadsheet?
Okay, so as you can see, the AI was able to help us with our first task. Now let's try another task on the same spreadsheet and see how it handles that. Yeah, I have another query. I want to mark the sales amount which is more than 500 in yellow color. How can I do that?
Sure, I can help with that. You can use conditional formatting to highlight the sales amounts greater than 500 in yellow. Would you like me to guide you through the steps?
Yes, I'd like that.
Okay, let's do it step by step. First, you'll need to select the sales amount column, which is column C in your spreadsheet. Then I can tell you what to do next.
Yes, the column is selected.
Now, go to the Format menu in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Then, select Conditional Formatting in the drop-down menu.
Yeah, a sidebar has opened.
Okay, now that the Conditional Format Rules sidebar is open, click on Add Another Rule. Then, you need to select the Format Cells If drop-down menu.
There are many options here.
Yes, there are quite a few options. In the Format Cells If drop-down, scroll down and select Greater Than. After that, a new field will appear where you need to enter the number 500.
Done.
Okay, now click on the Formatting Style section and select the Fill Color option, which is the paint bucket icon. Then choose the yellow color. Perfect. Now you can click on Done in the Conditional Format Rules sidebar, and all the sales amounts greater than 500 should now be highlighted in yellow. Great. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding the spreadsheet?
No, thank you.
You're very welcome. Feel free to ask if you need any further assistance.
That's actually cool, right? It explained every step so clearly and the instructions were super easy to follow. In the same way, you can use Google AI Studio to help you with Photoshop, AWS, MS Office, or anything else on your screen in real time. Alright, now that you have an assistant to help you with everyday tasks, let's go to the second tool on the list, and this one can save you several hours of coding and instantly turn your ideas into reality. It's called Bolt AI, and with this tool, you can create a fully functioning web application in minutes without writing a single line of code. So whether you're a developer who's looking to speed up your workflow or someone who has no coding experience, this tool has got you covered. All you need to do is just provide a prompt describing what kind of web app you want, and Bolt AI will generate it for you with all the necessary functionality. So let's check it out. Just click the link in the description below and it'll take you to this tool. Let's create a background remover web application, and here I will enter a prompt like this and click here to start generating the application. As you can see, the tool has started writing the code automatically. Once it's done, you can see that our web application is ready. Now let's check if the app is working properly. Just drag and drop the image here. And as you can see, the background has been successfully removed and we can even download the image. Now to make this app work, it actually took me a few more prompts behind the scenes. If you want to know in detail how I built this app using Bolt AI, you can watch this video. Alright, the next tool is going to be a one-stop solution for all your content needs. Whether you need to generate AI images, content for your blog, or build a website, you can do all of it in one single tool. Let me show you how. Just click the link in the description below and it'll take you to GravityWrite. It's an AI content generation tool built by us. The first one is AI Image Creator. So let's go to AI Image Generator. Here you can see we have a variety of styles available like logos, portraits, thumbnail creator, and even social media images. So let's try the YouTube thumbnail generator. Just click on Create Image. Just enter the title of your video and click Generate Image. As you can see, we've got an attractive thumbnail. Amazing, right? In most AI generated images, the text often comes out messy, but this one is pretty neat and it also looks professional. If you're happy with the image, just click here to download it. And that's it. You got a perfect thumbnail ready to use. Next, we have the AI Blog Writer. This tool can create a fully detailed SEO-friendly blog in just minutes. Sounds unbelievable, right? Let me show you. Just go to AI Blog Writer. Enter the title for your blog and click Create Outline. As you can see, we've got the outline. So let's click Continue. Now to generate the content, just click Generate All. And as you can see, we got a blog along with relevant images created in minutes. If you want to see how it looks, just click here. And as you can see, everything is neatly formatted and ready to use. You can download the blog from here and then publish it on your website. But wait, you don't have a website yet? No worries, GravityWrite is an amazing website builder that can create a complete website for you with engaging content, eye-catching images, all in just few clicks. And the best part, you don't need any coding skills or technical knowledge. Just install the plugin, answer a few simple questions about what kind of website you want, and pick a template that you like. GravityWrite will do all the heavy lifting, building the pages, adding content, and placing visuals automatically. Once it's done, you can easily customize everything to match your style. And just like that, your website is ready. If you want to build your own website quickly and effortlessly, just go to GravityWrite and click on the Website Builder plugin. Now, if you're looking for an easy way to automate your social media posts without dealing with any complicated setup, there's an incredible AI tool on the way. GravityWrite is about to launch a tool called AI Social Media Post Creator that does this exact automation but makes it much simpler and easier to use. All you have to do is enter any content you want, be it a text, a link, or an image, and then within a single click, your post will be ready along with a unique AI generated image. Now just select the variation you want, click continue, and it will be added here. Now you can select the social media account and click post now, and it will instantly go live on all your social media pages. You can also schedule your post to be published at a later time. Pretty cool, right? Once this tool is live, you will be able to try it by clicking the link below this video. Alright, next, let me show you a tool that can create detailed research papers for you in minutes with accurate and up-to-date information. Now you might be thinking about ChatGPT, and yes, it's a powerful tool, but its deep research feature is only available on the Plus plan, which costs around $20 a month. But what if you could get the same results for absolutely free? Sounds interesting, right? I'm talking about Gemini Deep Research, a new feature in Gemini Advanced. This tool gathers information from multiple sources, analyzes it, and presents it in an easy to understand format. This can make your research work much faster and efficient, whether it's for school, work, or personal projects. So let's check it out. Just click the link in the description below, and it'll take you to this tool. First, let's turn on this deep research option. Now I'm going to ask it to do research on a topic, but its use case is not limited to school work or research papers. If you have any question or need any detailed info on any topic, this tool can help you check all the relevant sources and give you reliable answers. For example, you could ask what are the best phones under 20,000 rupees in India, which tools are best for learning a new language, or what are the most in-demand skills in 2025. So let's click here. Alright, as you can see, this is the research plan it has come up with, and it's going to do research on these points and then generate the final report. If you want to make any changes to the plan, you can click on Edit Plan. And if you're ready to proceed, just click on Start Research. And it'll start analyzing all the source websites. Once it's done, we'll get all the information we need in a neatly organized format. And here, you can also see the links to all the sources used for this information. With these links, you can verify the information or explore them further. Crazy, right? With this tool, you can save hours of research time and get your work done more efficiently. If you haven't tried it yet, it's definitely worth checking out. The next tool that I'm going to show you makes it a lot easier to run AI tools on your computer. Naturally, open source AI tools are either paid or require a complicated setup to get started. But this tool makes the whole process easy and seamless. It's called Pinokio, and it lets you install and run powerful AI apps directly on your computer without relying on cloud services or pay for expensive subscriptions. The best part, as everything runs locally, your data stays private and you have full control over the tools that you're using. Let me show you how it works. First, you need to download Pinokio on your computer, and to do that, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. So let's click download and select your operating system. So I'm going to click download for Windows. Once it is done, go ahead and install it on your computer. Okay, now let's open Pinokio and click View Discover page. Here you can see a collection of popular AI apps that you can install and use instantly. Let's say you need a video background remover. So just type it into the search bar. Click on the app and you'll get the option to download it. So let's click here and click install. And that's it. Now the app is ready to use on your computer whenever you need it. So let's try it out. First click on the app, then click start. Now here upload the video for which you want to remove the background. Click submit and it's done. As you can see, the background has been removed. Amazing, right? In the same way, you can download any AI app you want from Pinokio and run it on your computer. You will find a wide range of apps available like AI image generator, text-to-speech converter, video upscaler, and even AI chatbots that can run offline. Just keep in mind that some AI apps require some good processing power, so make sure your system has the hardware to handle them smoothly. Alright, you've probably seen those AI videos where a character's face keeps changing every second. They look funny, but they're not really useful, right? This tool allows you to train your own AI model by uploading multiple videos of yourself or someone else. Once the model is trained, the AI can generate high-quality, realistic videos where the character looks the same in every scene without any glitches. So let's see how it works. Just click the link in the description and go to the AI custom model section. Now to train your AI model, you need to upload a 5 to 15 second video of yourself facing the camera like this one. So click next, enter the name for your model, then upload the video and click next step. Now we need to upload 10 to 30 more videos of your character from different angles. So I'll upload them here like this. Once that is done, we can start training the model. Just keep in mind that training a custom model requires a pro plan in Kling AI. But don't worry, I'll also show you a free alternative later in the video. So keep watching. Alright, let's start training the model. Just click training, then click confirm, and that's it. Our custom AI model has been successfully created. Now let's generate the video using this AI model. First click here and select the model we just trained. Now here we need to enter the description of the video that we want to create. So I'm going to enter a man cooking in the kitchen with a German Shepherd dog. From here, you can change any settings as required. And click generate. And that's it. The video is now ready, so let's play it and see how it looks. As you can see, the character's face stays consistent throughout the video with no weird glitches or distortions. The result looks really clean and definitely makes the paid version worth it. To download the video, click here, select without watermark, and it's done. Looks pretty impressive, right? Alright, now let's look at another cool tool that can create consistent characters. But this one is completely free at the moment. It's called Hailuo AI, so let's check it out. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. So let's start by clicking create. Then go to subject reference. Now click here and upload the image of the character that you want to use in the video and click confirm. Next, enter a short description of the video you want to create. And with the free plan, you get 100 credits per day and generating this video will cost you 45 credits. So let's generate the video by clicking here. Once it is ready, let's play it and see how it looks. Well, the characters stay consistent, which is great, but the quality could be better. To download your video, just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. So if you're looking for a free alternative to generate AI videos with consistent characters, Hailuo AI is definitely the best option out there. Alright, now imagine having a personal AI assistant that works for you even when you're asleep. That's exactly what the next tool does. ChatGPT's scheduled task feature lets you set up prompts once and they'll run on their own at the scheduled time. With this feature, ChatGPT can remind you about important events, send you daily news summaries, or even give you a new language lesson every morning without giving it prompts every day. Sounds interesting, right? So let's see how it works. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to ChatGPT. So let's click here and select ChatGPT with a scheduled task. Then here, enter a prompt to schedule a task. For example, I want the latest news about AI and technology every afternoon. So I'm going to enter that and click here. As you can see, a scheduled task is created. So now let's turn on the notifications to receive updates. Just click allow. Then click here and turn on the notifications. So let's see how it works. Here it is. ChatGPT has sent me the latest news as requested along with the source links. If you want more details, you can simply click on the links and check out the full news article. Note that this feature is currently available only for ChatGPT Plus subscribers. So if you have access, definitely try it out. Alright, you've probably come across videos with AI generated voices on social media like this one.
Hi, I am Brian. Today I'm going to show you an amazing text-to-speech tool.
They make creating content super easy, but most AI voice tools are either paid or free for a limited time. And that's where text-to-speech stands out. It lets you generate unlimited AI voices for free with natural and expressive tones. You can even tweak the speed and the pitch of the voice to match your content. And the best part, it offers 330 voices in 129 different languages. Sounds amazing, right? So let's check it out. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. You can see that the default language is set to Chinese. So first, let's change that. Just click here and you'll see a list of all the available languages. I'm going to select English. Now let's delete the sample text and enter the text that we want to convert into speech. Then click here and select a voice. I'm going to select this one and click play.
Hi, I am Brian. Today I'm going to show you an amazing text-to-speech tool.
The voice sounds great, but it's a bit slow. So let's increase the speed from here and play it again.
Hi, I am Brian. Today I'm going to show you an amazing text-to-speech tool.
And now it sounds perfect. You can download it by clicking here. Next, let's see how it works in a different language. I'm going to select German. I will also select a different voice this time and click play.
Hallo, ich bin Brian. Heute zeige ich Ihnen ein erstaunliches Text-to-Speech-Tool.
And that sounds pretty good. So let's download it. Alright, these are the top 9 AI tools that you must use in 2025. Whether you want to save time, boost productivity, or make your daily tasks easier, these tools will help you work smarter. So go ahead and give them a try and see how you can make the best use of all of them. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and remember to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.